Hi and welcome to Let's Learn Pharmacy. On this channel, you are going to learn all the pharmacy subjects starting with the introduction of pharmacy. I'll be teaching you all the subjects of pharmacy, so stay tuned. I'm starting this video with the introduction to pharmacy. I'll be discussing some definitions of pharmacy and some meaning of pharmacy. So let's begin. First of all, what is pharmacy? Pharmacy is a Greek word come from the pharmakon, which means drug. So I'll be discussing the definition that is available on Google. If you search definition of pharmacy, so this is the exact definition that is available on Google. So pharmacy is not just a subject, it's a complete profession. So the definition is the art, practice or profession preserving, compounding and dispensing medical drugs. So this is the first definition, which means the preparation of drug, the compounding of drug, the preservating of drug, and then dispensing that medical drugs to the patient. So in pharmacy, we study all these steps like preparation, compounding, dispensing, all the steps in detail. And the next easy definition is the place where the medication are compounded or dispensed. Just like a normal pharmacy or any drugstore. So where the medication are compounded and they are dispensed to the patient, so that is called pharmacy. Or another way you can define it, that pharmacy is a novel profession. So what does the novel mean? Novel mean anything that is complex and long and especially deals with human experiences through a usually connected sequence